I'm Matthias Allred. I'm here with Stephanie and Gabe with Chem-Dry. And they're here to tell us a little bit more about their business. They just moved to South Jordan, Utah, and they're going to tell us a little bit about what they do. So tell us about Chem-Dry.
Absolutely. So my name is Gabriel Maldonado. Again, my wife Stephanie Maldonado. Chem-Dry is a company and a franchise that's been in business for 30 years. We revolutionized the way we clean carpets because we clean it faster, healthier, and drier, which means that we use about 80% less water than our competitors, with the purpose of having a refresher cleaner experience with our customers.
Awesome. So do you guys focus primarily on residential families and stuff? You do commercial stuff?
I would say that that's probably the majority of our business is residential, but we absolutely are open to commercial as well. We're flexible in that we're able to come after hours, so that makes it really easy to come in after business and help you with your carpet, tile, whatever cleaning needs you have.
You guys are based here out of South Jordan, but you service all of the Wasatch Front. What areas do you guys cover?
We cover Salt Lake, Weber, and Davis counties currently. Hopefully more in the future.
Okay, perfect. And so homeowners that have nasty carpet, you guys are the ones they want to call, right?
Absolutely. That's what we specialize in, is getting out stains, and also our pet odor treatment is one of a kind. Its patented system can help remove not only the odor, but the chemicals and bacteria that are found in your carpet also. So we treat it differently than any other carpet cleaning company in the valley, as far as actually going down to the padding and removing the smell and then guaranteeing our work because of that.
Awesome. So what kind of guarantee then are you talking about?
Meaning that if we don't remove it, we'll come back.
Durability of the carpet.
Right, perfect. So even in times like this where the weather's cold, you're going to spend a lot more time inside the house. You want to make sure the air that you're breathing and everything inside the house is removed from all of those pollutants, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, perfect. So aside from carpets, do you guys do anything else?
Yes.
Yeah, so we focus on tile upholstery,
Granite
cleaning,
renewal.
Bathroom tile, showers, surrounds, that kind of stuff?
All of the above.
with the purpose and the main focus of creating a healthier home for our customers, as well as a residential, commercial.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate you being part of the South Jordan community. South Jordan's a fantastic place to live and a great place to have your business. So we're excited to have you guys part of this. If anybody wants to get in touch with you, how's the best way for them to reach out?
You can visit our website, gmxchemdry.com, or feel free to give us a call at 801-205-4487.
Okay, thanks so much. We're glad to have you part of the community.
Thank
you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.